Hello students, welcome back to Magnet Maths. Today we are going to learn chapter number 11, triangles and its properties, exercise 11.1. Question number 1, fill in the blanks, the number of medians in a triangle. So first we will understand here what is median. This is a triangle A, B and C. So a median is a line segment joined a vertex to its opposite sides. Okay, so if suppose this is BE, so BE is a median, and here if we start with C vertex and here, so CF is a median, and here if we start from A, so this AG is a median. So altogether a triangle have 3 medians. So the number of medians in a triangle is 3. Now we will check B. The dashed angle of a triangle equals the sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle. So this is an exterior angle property. So when we have a triangle, okay, and one exterior angle, suppose A, B, C, and this BC side is producing D here, and we got this angle here. So that means angle ACD is an exterior angle. Exterior means outside. Okay, so the measure of this angle will be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So its interior opposite angles will be angle A and angle B. So that means angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is exterior angle property. So that means here the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of interior opposite angle of a triangle. So we will write here exterior angle. Okay. Now we will check C. The dash of a triangle is formed by the intersection of the medians of a triangle. So intersection of the medians of the triangle we have figured here, and all three medians are intersecting here at point O. So this called centroid. Okay, so we will write here the centroid of a triangle is formed by the intersection of the medians of the triangle. Now let's check D. The altitude in a triangle forms an angle of dash at the opposite side. So the altitude is a perpendicular from a vertex to its opposite side. So if we have a triangle here, triangle A, B, C, we have 3 vertex. So if we draw a perpendicular from vertex A to its opposite side B, so it will form a 90-degree here. Okay, this will be its altitude. Okay, if we draw a perpendicular from vertex B to its opposite side, so it will form a 90-degree. So this will be the altitude of the triangle. So if we draw from vertex C here, okay, this is forming 90-degree. So this will be the altitudes of the triangle. So the number of altitudes in a triangle will be 3, and number of median is also 3. The difference is the altitude forms 90-degree and the medians divide the sides into 2 equal parts. Okay, so if we have here obtuse angle, okay, A, B and C, so the altitude of vertex A will be outside here, okay, because it's forming the 90-degree here, and the median will be inside because it will divide these sides into 2 equal parts. Okay, so we will write here the altitude in a triangle forms an angle of 90-degree at the opposite side. Now we will check E here. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is, we have any kind of angle, okay, so the sum of these 3 angles will be 180-degree. This is angle sum property even if we have right angle triangle. So the sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180-degree. This is angle sum property, that the sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180-degree. Now F, The point of intersection of three altitude is called, so we have this altitude figure here, and these three altitudes are intersecting each other at this point, okay, point O, and this called orthocenter. Okay, so we will write here orthocenter. So dear students, I hope you understood this. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share with your friends. See you in the next video.